Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Microsoft Edge app. So all you have to do, so you just click here on settings, click on it here. When you just click here on settings, it's going to show for you just like this here. It's going to show for you like this. So then you go down, just keep going down here. So then you click here on apps, click on it. Then it's going to take you to this list here and then you're looking for Microsoft Edge app, or just click on search. Then here add Edge app, it's going to show for you like this, click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list here, click here on force stop, then you click on OK. Then you go down, just click here on storage, come to storages, just click here on clear cache. Then here you restart your phone and start it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.